Hi, I'm Kike Samencini. I'm here with the Ventique 60e from Premier Aircraft. This is our latest design for 3D and precision aerobatics. Aerobatic airplanes always, power is very important. The Ventique it has a good partner here. We have a Potenza 60, it's our motor, and very powerful, high torque, very robust, and it's a 470 kVs. The prop you're seeing there, we're here a beautiful day in Venice testing, as we always do. It's a good prop, our own design, we're testing. Hopefully we'll come to the market soon. The battery is our Potenza battery pack. LiPo is a 6S, 4,000 milliamperes, and it's a 40C. We're using a hobby wing speed controller. It's an 80 amp speed controller, and do not include BEC, and we run a separate battery pack. It's a 1300 2S 25C Potenza as well. So Servo's running a high voltage. The version of the Ventique ARF SV, that means includes the servos. It's our Potenza Servos 194. And my comment here is about the size of the servo, which is very important for this class of airplane, a 60 size, motor class. It's a class that requires more torque, more power from the servo, and more physical size. If you go smaller size, you don't get that mechanical advantage. The servo itself, our Potenza servo, is 0.10 seconds. The speed, the torque is 194. It runs on a high voltage, 7.4. It's titanium gears, and we have also a middle metal case for the servo. Also includes servo arms that are 1.25 inches. They're aluminum, and we have single for the ailerons and elevator, and we have double for the pull system. Another important aspect of the design is the weight. We always very careful on our designs to have the weight down, and at the same time the plane be strong to handle high G maneuvers, a lot of energy on the new 3D type of flying. So to get the weight down, by the way, it's 7 pounds and 15 ounces, and we have 825 square inches. So to achieve that, and we really engineer the airplane, every single part to get that goal, being light and be strong. We include carbon fiber landing gear. The wing joiner also is carbon fiber, and we keep canopies only one piece and really thin, and so every detail is there to keep the weight down. One of the aspects that I enjoy a lot with the Ventique is the size. It's a 60 size motor with a 63 inches wingspan, 825 square inches of wing area. So it's quite a bit bigger. We're talking maybe 15% more than the plane that's a 60 inches wingspan. And the weight goes in the same ratio, and the same ways the way it feels. It feels bigger, you see it better. It feels more solid, wind and everything. So it handles very well. It kind of brings you a lot of good feeling and a lot of fun for sure. The aerodynamics on this plane is an accumulation of years of playing and learning and all that. So you end up with with a shape, with a proportions that really deliver what you have in mind. In this case, we really want an airplane that will look pretty nice. It will be a plane that is not scale airplane, the Ventique, but the lines and the appearance of the airplane, it simulates a full scale. And so we incorporate a few new things, but very important for the plane, the shark teeth, which are the leading edge. And they are working very well. And we took, we did several tests with different sizes and positions and things like that, and we find that shape, and it really works on a high alpha. High alpha is performing, very well in combination with the Side 4 generator. So it gives a lot of stability, stop the wing rock, and then the cowling. And the cowling, it's the shape of the canopy, and the whole aspect of the airplane is to give a sort of being different. It's not another cap, it's not another edge or extra. It's just these unique lines with good proportions. So I personally am very happy about this airplane. I really enjoy flying it and just looking at it. In electric airplanes, you always want to have easy access to the battery. So in this case, we have hat latch, remove, very quick, open up. As you've seen in the video, the Ventique, it has very generous control surfaces. We have huge ailerons, huge elevator, huge rudder, and they're traveling, high degrees. We're looking at over 60 or maybe 70 degrees on the elevator, the rudder around 60 ailerons as well. So when you have that kind of deflection, I commented about the servo before, but also the hinges is important. The hinges are, in this case, are a pin type, known as a Robert hinges. And so that gives a lot of stiffness, and also it makes the airplane very durable. And the control horn is a G10. It comes glued from the factory, ready to use. And all the hardware included is, to match this performance. The ARF kit includes the hinges are glued and installed, ready to use on the ailerons. And the control horns on every single surface is glued, ready to use. We have, of course, painted cowl, the painted landing gear, wheel pans, the landing gear is carbon fiber wing tube. The spinner, pretty nice spinner, runs through, it's very nice. Back plate is aluminum, it's included. And also includes a very nice wing bags and a printed manual. And we carefully did it for you guys, and also the set of stickers or decals. Then we have the SV version, and SV stands for servos. And so the good thing with that, what I really like about it, they are installed, they are ready to use. The aluminum servo arms, double for the pull system, and single here, 1.25 and 2.5 inches. Are installed, the push rods are installed, and so all the linkage is ready to use. And also look at the value, it brings high quality servo and all ready to use, the geometry all right, all for you. So I'm sure you will enjoy it as I'm enjoying flying it.